We really enjoy the fact that we have everything under one roof here at Magnolia Falls Oral Surgery and Dental Implant Center. We have the ability to have our lab upstairs, and so in the past, what we had to do was send things out and wait many days, a lot of times, for something to get repaired or to get actually made. And now we can control that and have everything under one roof and make sure that we can actually control the quality that we're delivering. And when patients come here, they know that everything from start to finish is going to be done under one roof and be able to help them decrease the amount of time that it usually takes to complete their treatment as well. Having 3D technology available to us here in the office every day is so much better than it has been in the past. And dentistry has progressed and advanced so much in the last 10 years. We're able to know that and have an accurate diagnosis in the office right away, and have that ability at our fingertips is awesome. And patients really understand that that having that ability comes only at a high level service center. The first step to that restoring that smile for you would be to pick up the phone, schedule that first initial consultation, and let us talk about your options and get you feeling confident and healthy once again.